Are you researching ancestors in Cincinnati, Ohio? Well, if you are in the right place. I'm Lisa Listen with Are You My Cousin, where I strive to take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. That way you will know when I post new videos here on the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel, and I would love for you to be able to view those and see those when they come live. Now, this is the first installment in a brand new series that I have joined up with FindMyPast to bring to you this summer. We are taking a summer road trip right through the U.S. records at FindMyPast. And our first stop is Cincinnati, Ohio. The most important collection that you're going to want to look at is that Catholic Heritage Archives that they have. They have the Cincinnati Roman Catholic Parish records digitized over there at FindMyPast. Now, I know some of you may not be familiar to research Catholic records or to be researching on FindMyPast, so I've got you covered. Watch this quick little clip. I'm going to take you over onto my laptop so that you can see exactly how to get into the record collection and how to research there. We're over here at FindMyPast, and I want to show you how to quickly and easily find those Cincinnati Catholic records that you can use in your research. It's really quite easy. So I'm going to show you the simple way that I do it. I typically just go into search, click that drop down, and I'm going to go over here to all record sets. So when I click there, this is all record sets at FindMyPast. I'm going to go up here to the search bar right here on the left, and I'm going to type in Cincinnati. And you can see they all come up. So we have all the Cincinnati Roman Catholic Parish records there at FindMyPast. So we have those all up very quick, very easily found. So then if I'm looking at baptisms, I'm going to click that first one perhaps. And let's go over. So let's put in the name Anna Barrett. Oops. Let's put in Anna Barrett. And you can see down here, I love this where it tells you how many results. I've got 6 results. I can click through that. And here we have the 6 results for Anna. When you click on, again, remember, when you click on that first little icon, it'll bring you to the transcription. And then if you want to see the original record, you want to go over here and click original record. And that'll actually take you into the original scanned record, so digitized record, so you can see it there for yourself. So that's how you can easily find these Cincinnati Catholic records. Now, if you have ancestors in other parts of Ohio, yes, FindMyPast has other Ohio records as well. So let me take you over and show you how to find those. Simply go to search, go back to that all record set, and type in Ohio. Again, so this gives me 22 record sets that FindMyPast has for Ohio, and I can go down through here. This is a really good record set. The Ohio County Naturalizations record set is a really good record set. It's a large one that you might want to look at, but you can continue on down to find what record sets might work for you. And again, don't forget to look at Percy while you're here. You definitely want to, while you're over in FindMyPast, check out the Diocese of Toledo's records. They have those as well. FindMyPast also has Ohio County Naturalization records. And of course, do not forget my favorite, Percy. You don't ever want to leave FindMyPast without checking Percy for your ancestors. Now, I've actually talked about that, and I've shared video and a blog post about that in the past. And so I will link that down below in the post. So you are welcome to grab that while you're there. Now, I realize that you may be new to FindMyPast. You may not have an actual subscription to that, and that's okay, guys. They have a wonderful free trial that you can try out. I'll link to that below as well, that you can give it a try and see if it's so that you can get in there, start looking for your ancestors, and then see what else they have to offer. And if you're new and wanting to try a free trial, be sure and check out the video. I'll have a link to it right up here in the corner on how to get the most out of your free trial so that you can kind of make sure it's going to meet your needs. It's kind of like buying a car when you need to go and check it out. Give them a test drive, see what all they have, and then you can make your informed decision that way. And of course, before you go, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Love for you to make sure you don't miss any of the new videos that I post here on the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. Bye, guys.